Good morning. It's day 2 match play of the Angels of the Wynn Casino Resort PBA Regional. I didn't sleep so good again, but I'm not gonna let that stop me today. Currently 327 over. I am exactly 100 pins ahead of second. And we got 8 games of round robin match play. It is modified. They took 16, so we won't bowl everybody, but there is a step ladder. Cut to 4, just like last year. And hopefully we can set ourselves up, put us in the same position as last year. And hopefully bowl for the title. Technical difficulties.
Oh yeah, I've never seen
a little pause. We're through 2 games though, out of 8. I got 2 wins and I have 534 for my first 2, so much better than yesterday. The lanes I feel are a little bit tighter, a little flatter, so I can stay further right, which is good for me because my entry angle, like the mechanics say, are better.
Yo, what's going on guys? Jesse and Darren here. We just want to interrupt this video and let you know that we want to do the biggest bowling ball giveaway that the world has ever seen.
100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If we can do it, we're gonna give away 100 bowling balls. Maybe one of these balls in the video could go to somebody like you watching at home.
If you want to be a part of that, subscribe to the channel.
Red button, make it not red anymore.
Typically the further right you can play, the better entry angle you're gonna have because your ball doesn't have to use as much energy to get back around the corner. So hopefully we can keep up this pace of play for the next 6 games, but we've got a pretty big lead on second now. We're just gonna keep rolling. Well, finally win the reactive, bowled 207 game 4, 635 over now. I was over 300 ahead of the show. Looks like 260 ahead of second. So, yeah, not the best game. My lowest game of the weekend actually, but a lot more urethane balls in the same part of the lane today, so getting into reactive sooner than yesterday. So, they're a little slick today, so I'm not like super comfortable, but I'm sure I think it's just a cleaner, so it should work itself in
pretty soon. But yeah, we got 4 more games of match play. Alright, 8-0. It's nice. It got a little tricky going to reactive. I probably could have stayed in urethane, but we got the 8-0, we got the number 1 seed. 1 more game. We got this. Apparently it's really exciting though for the last spot. It's pretty close. A lot of people can go in. So this we'll find out soon. But Proton made an appearance, Dark Coat again. The symmetric balls didn't look great. But it's alright, at least we figured it out. Struggled for a few games and then bounced back with 270 and then 228 the last game. So get some food, rest up, and 1 game for the title. Same position as last year, hopefully a different result. Losing sucks. Wrong place, wrong time, every single shot, first half of the game. It is what it is. I made the adjustments I thought I needed to make. A lot of them were wrong. Made the ball change. Wasn't 100% sure what it was gonna do. Cut the first one, second one wrapped the 10. Should I have started with reactive? Maybe. That's how step ladders go. Kinda sucks. It's like the putters effect. I've led this tournament by a combined over 500 in the last 2 years and finished second twice. But it is what it is. Happens. Congrats to PJ. He pulled really good, especially in the step ladder. It's where it counts. It's where you win titles. It's been a little rough for me in the ladders this year. I think I've only won one, but can't ask for much more than an opportunity. So, thanks for watching, and hopefully next time we'll be leaving with some hardware.